Found a clean out here in the front. We're going to take a look offline, see what it looks like under the house, and then we'll go down line and take a look there. So it looks like it's been repiped. It's all PVC. Got an inlet coming in from the right, full diameter. It's probably a bathroom group. And another one on the left, inlet there, loose diameter, and then there's a bushing up ahead just after that inlet from the top. Now I'll head downline towards the street. Okay, that turns into cast iron right away. It's pretty much wide open. There is some corrosion, but it's uniform and it's not exorbitant. Okay, I got roots coming in right there at 31 feet. So there's a root ball at 31 feet. You know what I'll do? Let me go locate where that is. It's 32 feet out. That might be city. Alright, so that's under the sidewalk. I marked it with a white arrow, and it's 33 inches deep. So, another trash, another more roots coming in that joint. This is all out on the city side. Look at all those roots. Big giant root ball. All the way around. Might have to get the city to come out and fix that, since that's on the city side.